Hello everyone, welcome back to Grammar Crackers. In part 1, we completed the basic plural rules, and in part 2, we learned the advanced rules like irregular plural, same form nouns, always plural nouns, and compound nouns. Now in part 3, we are going to finish this topic with VIP nouns, VIP rules, and important exceptions of plural forms that many students often get confused about. So let's begin. The first one is VIP nouns, VIP rules. Some nouns do not follow normal English plural rules. They change their form according to Latin and Greek endings. For example, cactus is singular and cacti is plural. Phenomenon is singular and phenomena is plural. Here are some more examples. Have a look. We call them VIP nouns because they follow special plural rules of Greek and Latin, not formal English, just like S or ES rules. In simple word, these nouns make English follow their rules. Got it? Okay. Now let's learn some important plural exceptions that every learner must know. First one is fish. The plural of fish stays fish when we talk in a general sense. For example, I caught 3 fish in the river. But the plural becomes fishes when we talk about different species or types of fish. The aquarium has many fishes from different countries. Second is person. The plural of person is people in everyday English. For example, people are waiting outside. But the plural becomes persons in official or legal context. For example, the police issued a missing persons report. Okay, got it? Now move to third one. That is formula. The plural of formula is formulas in common English. For example, we learned many formulas in maths class. But the plural becomes formulae in scientific and academic English. For example, chemistry has different formulae. Next one is data. The word data can take both singular and plural verbs. In modern English, we say data is. The data is correct. And in traditional English, we say data are. The data are correct. Now the last one. That is food. The plural of food stays food when we talk in a general sense. For example, there is a lot of food on the table. But the plural becomes foods when we talk about different types or varieties of food. For example, India has many traditional foods from different states. Got it? Now it's summary time. After learning all 3 parts of noun number, we now understand that plural making in English is not only about adding S or ES. Different nouns follow different rules based on their structure and origin. First, the summary of part 1. Some nouns follow simple patterns like add S, add ES, replace Y with IES, replace F or FE with VES. Here are some examples. Now the summary of part 2. Some nouns change in special ways like irregular plurals, for example, child becomes children. Same singular and plural, for example, dear, the plural will be dear. Always plural nouns like jeans, scissors, spectacles. And compound nouns like sister-in-law becomes sisters-in-law. Got it? Okay, now the summary of part 3. Some nouns follow Latin Greek rules, not English rules. For example, cactus becomes cacti, analysis become analysis, and some nouns have 2 plural forms based on their meaning. Like the plural of fish is fish or fishes. The plural of person will be people or persons. It means plural formation depends on meaning, context, usage, and language origin. Now it's homework time. Here are the answers of part 1 and part 2. Have a look and cross-check your answers. I think the concept of noun numbers is clear. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep going, and keep smiling. Bye-bye.